Wind energy generation. Wind is another important source of non-conventional energy. For long, energy from wind has been utilized to produce mechanical energy from windmills and used for pumping and running flour mills. Now, if a generator is coupled to the shaft of a windmill, the rotation of the windmill will lead to production of electricity from the generator. This electricity in appropriate form can be used for domestic and various other purposes. However, electricity from wind can be generated only in areas of high wind velocity. Coastal regions having wind speeds of nearly 20 km per hour are ideal sites for this purpose. The first wind farms in India were installed in 1986 in coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Orissa. Advantages of wind power. Wind power is another completely clean energy source on the basis of the greenhouse gas emissions. Wind power is captured efficiently with today's technology as wind turbines can be placed in a wide variety of locations like deserts and oceans. Remote areas that are not connected to electric power grid can use wind power to create their own supply of electricity. It does not cause any pollution. Disadvantage of wind power. Like many alternative energies, wind power is not always generated. Wind turbines fall mercy to local and wind patterns. For this reason, areas in which wind is not very strong or very frequent may not benefit from the construction of wind power facilities. Biogas generation. Biogas or gobar gas is based on the use of dung to produce gas which is used as domestic fuel and lighting streets and homes, especially in rural areas. This technique is based on decomposition of organic matter in absence of air to yield gas consisting of methane 55% and carbon dioxide 45%, which can be used as a source of energy. With some planning, the gas can also be used to produce electricity by burning the gas as fuel or as input to a small gas turbine and connecting it to a generator. Advantages of biogas. Sustainable source. Biomass energy uses organic material and waste for its production. Crops and residues in agriculture and forests are sustainable source of biomass. Reducing pollution. Biomass combustion process emits far less greenhouse gases into the air than in the fossil fuel combustion process. In the process of gasification, no pollution gases are emitted into the air. Cost benefit. Biofuels are cleaner fuels, which means they produce fewer emissions on burning, hence do not cause pollution. They are easily available and are cost effective. Used as fertilizer. Production of biofuels serves double purpose. While gas is used to produce energy, the waste is used as a fertilizer. Reduce dependence on foreign oil. It saves about 70 lakh tons of fuel wood and reduces dependence on fossil fuels. It can be installed on a very small scale on individual basis. Disadvantages of biofuel. High cost of production. Even with all the benefits associated with biofuels, they are quite expensive to produce in the current market. Use of fertilizers. Biofuels are produced from crops and these crops need fertilizers to grow better. These fertilizers may cause water pollution. Large area. A typical biogas plant requires a large area for its installation.